Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the building permit of the modular brick flooring in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event, you can unlock more cool rewards from the battle pass like this. And to unlock this modular brick flooring, you can unlock it when you reach level 4 like this at the battle pass. And to increase your level, you can just collect the festival points like this. That you can get these festival points from the festival catalog on here. They're available each week. From here you can just complete all the quests, and from these activities you can just unlock more points on here. And then you can also get the points from the collections, limited collections like this. And then you can also get the points from the daily quests or weekly quests like this. And after you reach level 4, you can unlock this building permit, the building permit of modular brick flooring. That it will add it to your build mode, and you can just use it from there when you build your house. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.